to look at the relationship between future intentions and future likelihood. It's important to note that the mean for future intentions is strongly skewed towards gender equality in this sample.
Say a word about recoding.
Oh, say a word about recoding? Oh, just generally about
one of the scales,
Mhm.
the direction.
So, the future, originally the intention scale, the highest score, it was 1 through 4, and a 4 would mean that you strongly agree that you want gender equality, and a 1 would mean you don't want gender equality. And for intentions, 4 was gender equality, and 4 was gender inequality for likelihood. So I recoded that so that a 4 would mean the same thing for both of those two things, so that it wouldn't be confused. It was confusing, but so that it would be less confusing when trying to look at the data later. So a high score on the future intentions and the future likelihood scale meant that you foresaw, or you were foreseeing gender inequality. Does that make sense?
High means inequality.
High means inequality. A high score means inequality, yeah.
On both.
On both, yeah, after recoding. So the mean for future intentions was strongly skewed toward gender equality, which means that most of the participants in this study intended to have a gender equal, or on average they intended to have a gender equal future. And the mean for future likelihood is skewed toward gender inequality, which means that on average the participants in this study thought that they would not achieve gender equality in the future. So that's interesting to note. And next, chi-square test of independence was performed to examine the relationship between future intentions, future likelihood, and depression. So this is the part where there's a table in my.
Yeah, I should get there in a minute.
Okay.
It's still spinning.
Okay.